Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you this recipe that I have just come up with, and it is just so amazing. Okay, the main ingredients are fish, tomatoes, and green peas. So I've just seasoned the fish with oyster sauce, soy sauce, and black pepper. I'm now squeezing in lemon into it. So guys, now I'm going to stir this in, and I'm going to stir fry the fish. Then I'll go ahead to prepare the sauce. Next thing, I'm going to blend my tomatoes, onions, pepper, and green peas. Into the same pan, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to add in the tomato mix. Guys, can you see how beautiful this looks? It's been simmering for about 5 minutes now. So guys, this is where we come to the end of this video. I hope you liked this one. Please check us out on Instagram and Twitter, and give up a thumbs up on this video. Share with your friends and family. Bye. See you guys in my next one.